In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Canva to create a stunning 3D logo design effortlessly. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting out, Canva's powerful yet user-friendly tools make logo creation a breeze. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to open Canva and navigate to your document where you'd like to create the logo. If you don't have a specific document in mind, you can simply start with a new one. The beauty of using a dedicated platform like Canva is its intuitive interface, which makes graphic design accessible to everyone, regardless of their experience level. Once you have your document open, the next step is to utilize Canva's element features. Look over to the left sidebar and click on Elements. This section is your gateway to an extensive library of design elements, ready to be integrated into your project. You'll find a wide array of shapes, illustrations, photos, and more. For those of you working on 3D logos, this is where the magic happens. Now, in the search bar within the Elements tab, type in 3D Designs. Pressing Enter will bring up a collection of visually striking 3D graphics. These are pre-designed elements crafted to add depth and style to your logo. As you scroll through the options, you'll see a range of styles and colors to choose from, allowing you to find the perfect match for your brand's aesthetic or your personal preference. Feel free to explore the different designs and don't hesitate to try out various graphics to see what complements your logo vision best. Remember, the advantage of digital design tools like Canva is the ability to experiment. You're not committing to any one design until you feel it's just right. And of course, you can resize and reposition any graphic element to fit your design seamlessly. Once you've selected the 3D graphic you wish to incorporate, think about how it interacts with any text or other elements in your logo. Use Canva's alignment tools to ensure your design is balanced and the focal points are exactly where you want them. Take advantage of the color adjustment features if you need to tweak the colors to better suit your brand identity. And just like that, you're done. You've successfully designed a compelling 3D logo using Canva's features. This process not only saves time, but opens up a plethora of creative possibilities without requiring extensive design expertise. Always remember to save your work and consider exporting it in different formats depending on how and where you plan to use your new logo. That's all for today's tutorial. With just a few clicks, you've harnessed the power of Canva to create something unique and professional. Thank you for joining us and happy designing.